Hi traders, and welcome to Trading Talk episode 74. In today's Trading Talk episode, I share with you a model that follows the trend. It's a very simple and effective strategy using a moving average, but where it makes its money is not from the entry, but through the trade management and the thought and logic I've put into the trading system around the exits and the trade management. Now, I do want to mention to yourselves that we have our International Trading Championship going on. We've got Bradford in the top spot, who is a gentleman from the US. He's doing quite well for himself, and he is currently up 74% in the sprint and in the marathon as well. So he's looking to take out 2 competitions at once. So give him a good run for his money, get involved. All you need to do is go to tradeview.com.au/trading championship, and then you can be able to participate. If you are already an existing IC Markets account holder, please go to icmarkets.com and contact them through their live chat to set up your championship account. Now, with our Algo trading conference fast approaching us, we are now currently 3 months away from the actual conference itself, where you're going to be able to receive 3 models from 3 professional traders. Dr. Tom Stark, who is the CEO of AAA Quants, Kevin Davey, World Trading Champion, and Ellie Gali, who is the head of trading here at TradeView. These gentlemen will share with you a pairs trading system, a swing trading system, and a breakout model respectively. So very effective, robust trading strategies. Now, seeing as we are 3 months away from giving you 3 great trading models from 3 fantastic speakers, we have a great offer available at the moment for all of our current and potential future members. Please contact us on 613-9018-5438 to discuss the details. Alternatively, you can go to tradeview.com.au and connect with us on our live chat to be able to get started. Now, should you want to build the model from this particular Trading Talk episode, all you need to do is purchase the online intermediate workshop. The link is provided in the description below. Thanks, and bye for now.